Okay, this video is going to show you how to break down the two types of data. We have qualitative and quantitative data, and what we see here is that qualitative data is going to use descriptive terms, and it can be classified, but it can't be counted or measured, whereas quantitative is going to use numerical data to describe something, and it can be counted or measured. So here's some examples. Names would be qualitative. Smell, buttery, salty, garlicky. I'm just trying to think of smells. Colors, all those are qualitative. Quantitative would be things like scores on an exam, the weight of a person or a subject, or your shoe size. So let's go through a few examples here real quick to get you started. So the hometown for each student in Miss Horn's class, would that be qualitative or quantitative? Well, the hometown is going to be qualitative because it's just the name of a town. Can't measure the name of a town. Degrees, associates, bachelor's, master's, doctorate, those can't be counted or measured. But they can be grouped into categories, so that would also be qualitative. The zip codes, okay? Zip codes of home students. All right, can we measure a zip code? Can we count a zip code? Okay, even though it is a number, it's basically describing the area you live in. So even though it is a number, it is a descriptive term. So it's qualitative. Temperatures for each day of the week last week. Well, this is something that can definitely be measured. So that would be quantitative. All right. The GPA of each student in this class, okay? So the GPA, that can be measured. That's how well you're doing in school, and it's taken by your grades, and it's calculated. So that's going to be quantitative. Holmes basketball players classified by athletic ability, superior, average, and above average. So we're rating basketball players using descriptive terms. So that would be qualitative. The color of markers in a 24 count box. So these are going to be colors which are descriptive, and that's going to be qualitative. All right, if we did a student survey of the Home CC website, where we rated 1 being very satisfied, and 2 somewhat satisfied, and 3 not satisfied. So we're rating them, we're assigning it to a category. So that's going to be qualitative. And the number of minutes each student spent on Chapter 1 homework, well, we can measure that. We can count or time the number of minutes for each student. So that would be quantitative. Okay, so that's how you break down qualitative and quantitative. Remember, quantitative uses numerical data. It can be measured or counted. Qualitative uses descriptive terms, so it classifies data. So hopefully that will help you understand the differences. Let me know if you have any questions.